welcome to the Arden and Mandy Show.
I'm Mandy.
And I'm Arden.
Today our sponsor is Mother Nature. Have you ever seen such a beautiful creature?
If you zoomed in, you definitely would say no.
Zoom in, Derek. Zoom in. Zoom in.
I don't know if you can zoom in.
Okay, we have some special guests today, guys. We're really excited.
They're from Nature's classroom, and Mother Nature is their best friend.
She's so excited to have them too, aren't you? Where are they?
Let's look in the trees. Where do we sit?
Here they come. Sit around the table. We'll pretend it's a campfire or something.
Yeah, let's get all warm and toasty.
You got any marshmallows, Arden?
S'moreologist.
Is that what you are? Does he get out a lot?
He does not.
Okay.
Not often, not often.
Okay, guys, so introduce yourself.
This is Sam. Sam. I'm Zach.
I'm Kiki. I'm Juju.
Okay, so tell us about Nature's classroom.
Yes, that is another nickname of mine.
Really? Is it on your driver's license?
It's actually not, but it might actually be on my Choco Lane permit. I think that's missing actually right now.
So what is it that you guys do?
A lot of hiking.
Singing of songs,
Yeah.
Yes.
swaying
Burning
of
fires.
youthful minds.
There you go.
Yes, yeah.
You sing a lot of Kumbaya?
A lot of kumbaya actually,
Yes.
and songs about black socks and dirty socks and
Penguins.
Nice.
yeah, exactly.
Mashed potatoes.
That's
Guacamole.
all
Guacamole.
together. Is it all one song? Can we hear it?
Oh,
Mother
yeah.
Nature would like to hear
Many,
it.
many different songs.
Yes.
We go through a really intense 2-year training where we learn all of the songs and skills for the profession.
Yeah.
You eat a lot of s'mores?
Lots of s'mores. We
Yeah.
actually get
S'mores.
paid.
I had a s'more just last night.
Nice.
Yep.
Was it fat free?
No.
Okay.
We only
Was
do
it all
real
natural?
s'mores. Yes. Yes, very much so. But we actually get paid to make s'mores. So it's kind of our job.
We get paid in s'mores.
There you go.
Awesome.
I want to get paid in s'mores. Do you want to get paid in
That
s'mores?
reminds me of that gum commercial.
That works out.
Sam actually was thinking about opening a s'more shop. Just
Yeah.
the other night.
I decided that if I could make s'mores every day for the rest of my life, and if all I did was just make s'mores, then my life would be very fulfilled.
I like
Maybe
that idea.
complete.
You could be like a gourmet s'more shop.
Because there's so much that goes into each s'more. I mean,
Absolutely.
you have, in order to make the perfect s'more, you have to really, take care of the marshmallow and not let it get too hot.
What happens if you burn a marshmallow? Are you wasteful in the woods?
No. You just have to.
That would make Mother Nature very unhappy.
Look,
Hey,
she's
look.
looking at you. She's looking at you right now.
Well, Mother Nature doesn't judge any of
There's a
us.
spider crawling at Mother Nature right
It's supposed to be there.
now. Exactly.
Yeah, she's holding on to a
Part of
box.
the effect.
All right, so on the Mandy and Arden show, we always have a song. So what song you want to sing for us, guys?
I don't know who should be singing it. We don't have any.
We could sing it's about black socks.
Yeah, we could.
Okay, all right, take it away.
Set it off, Zach.
We'll play the drums.
Oh, they're like, we don't need drums.
Black socks, they never get dirty. The longer you wear them, the stronger they get. Sometimes I think I should wash them, but something inside me keeps saying, not yet, not yet, not yet, not yet.
Nice! Woohoo! Okay.